Astronomers just discovered a galaxy out there that has no stars. That's right, a galaxy that is so dark and mysterious that we can't see it with our eyes or even with our most powerful telescopes. This galaxy is one of the oldest and most primitive galaxies in the universe. It is called J0613+52, and it is filled with gas that has not formed stars yet. This rare discovery could also help us understand how galaxies were born and evolved in the early cosmos. In this video, I will tell you how astronomers accidentally discovered this dark galaxy, what makes it so unique and intriguing, and what it can teach us about the history and future of our own galaxy and beyond. This is a rare and exciting opportunity to explore one of the most mysterious and ancient objects in the universe. So stay tuned and don't miss it. The discovery of this dark galaxy was a lucky accident. It happened when the Green Bank Telescope, GBT, a giant radio dish in West Virginia, USA, was mistakenly pointed to the wrong coordinates. The telescope was supposed to observe a nearby galaxy, but instead, it picked up a faint radio signal from a much more distant object. This signal was coming from this dark galaxy that is located about 270 million light-years away from Earth. But how did the astronomers know that this signal was from a galaxy and not from some other source, like a quasar or a pulsar? Well, they used other telescopes and instruments, such as the Very Large Array and the Hubble Space Telescope, to confirm the existence and nature of this galaxy. They found out that this galaxy is emitting radio waves because it is surrounded by a cloud of hydrogen gas that is spinning and colliding with itself. This gas is also absorbing light from a background quasar, creating a dark shadow in the sky. This is how the astronomers were able to detect and measure this galaxy, even though it has no visible stars. But studying such a faint and distant object is not easy. It requires a lot of patience, precision, and creativity. The astronomers had to overcome many challenges and difficulties, such as interference from other sources, noise from the instruments, and uncertainties in the data. They also had to use sophisticated techniques and models to analyze and interpret the information they collected. It took them several years to publish their findings, which were finally announced in January 2024. This dark galaxy is different from any other galaxy that we know of. It is very small, very light, and very irregular. It has a diameter of only about 3,000 light-years, which is about 30 times smaller than our own Milky Way galaxy. It has a mass of only about 10 million times the mass of our Sun, which is about 100,000 times lighter than our galaxy. And it has no definite shape or structure, unlike the spiral, elliptical, or irregular galaxies that we usually see. But the most striking feature of this galaxy is that it has no stars at all. It is filled with gas that has not formed stars yet, and it has been like that for billions of years. Why is that? Why hasn't this galaxy formed stars, like most other galaxies have? Well, there are several possible factors that could prevent star formation in this galaxy. One factor is that the gas in this galaxy is very low in density, meaning that there is not enough material to clump together and ignite nuclear fusion. Another factor is that the gas in this galaxy is very high in temperature, meaning that it is too hot and energetic to collapse and cool down. A third factor is that the galaxy is affected by external feedback, meaning that it is influenced by the radiation and winds from nearby stars and galaxies, which could heat up and blow away the gas. Any of these factors, or a combination of them, could explain why this galaxy has not formed stars yet, and why it is so dark and elusive. But this galaxy is not alone. There are other types of primordial galaxies that are also very old and very faint, such as dwarf galaxies, ultra-diffuse galaxies, or Lyman-alpha emitters. These galaxies are also filled with gas that has not formed stars yet, or has formed very few stars. They are also very hard to detect and study because they are very far away and very dim. But they are very important because they are the building blocks of the larger and brighter galaxies that we see today. They are the ancestors of our own galaxy, and they can tell us a lot about the past and present of the universe. This dark galaxy is a relic of the early universe. It is one of the first galaxies that ever formed, and it has remained unchanged for billions of years. It is a snapshot of what the universe looked like when it was young and simple, before stars and planets and life emerged. It is a window to the origins of everything we know and love. By studying this galaxy, we can learn more about the conditions and processes that shaped the first galaxies in the universe. We can learn how the gas in the universe cooled down and clumped together, how the first stars and black holes formed and died, how the first metals and molecules were created and distributed, and how the first light and heat were generated and spread. We can also test and refine our theories and models of galaxy formation and evolution, such as the cold dark matter model or the hierarchical clustering model. These models try to explain how the galaxies we see today came to be, how they grew and changed over time, and how they interacted and influenced each other. By comparing these models with the observations of this dark galaxy, we can check their validity and accuracy and improve their predictions and explanations. We can also speculate on what might happen to this galaxy in the future, and whether it will ever form stars or merge with other galaxies. Maybe this galaxy will remain dark and silent forever, or maybe it will eventually light up and join the cosmic dance. Maybe this galaxy will be destroyed by a collision or a supernova, or maybe it will survive and witness the end of the universe. Whatever the fate of this galaxy, it is a fascinating and valuable object that can teach us a lot about the history and future of our own galaxy and beyond. Today, I have told you how astronomers accidentally discovered a dark galaxy with no stars, what makes it so unique and intriguing, and what it can teach us about the history and future of our own galaxy and beyond. This discovery is a rare and exciting opportunity to explore one of the most mysterious and ancient objects in the universe. It challenges our understanding of how galaxies work and opens up new possibilities for further research and discovery. The next time you look up at the night sky, remember that there are millions of galaxies out there, some of which we can see, and some of which we can't. But they all have a story to tell, and we are just beginning to listen. If you want to learn more about this dark galaxy and other wonders of the cosmos, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.